How to check your Windows version on your laptop. Let's find out. If you're a Windows user, it's important to know which version of Windows you're running on your laptop. Knowing your Windows version is important because it can affect how you troubleshoot issues and access certain features. In this video, we'll show you how to check your Windows version on your laptop using winver. The first step is to open the Start menu on your laptop. Once you've opened the Start menu, type winver into the search bar. The search results should bring up the winver application. Click on it to open it. The winver application will open the About Windows window, which displays your Windows version and build number. Your Windows version and build number will be displayed at the top of the About Windows window. This will give you the information you need to troubleshoot issues or access certain features that are specific to your Windows version. Checking your Windows version on your laptop is a simple process that can save you time and frustration in the long run. By using the winver application, you can quickly and easily find out which version of Windows you're running on your laptop. Okay guys, I hope this helped. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.